Did you know that organizations with excellent change management practices are 6 times more likely to meet or exceed their project objectives? Yet surprisingly, only 34% of changes in organizations are clear successes. In today's rapid-paced business environment, organizations are constantly implementing new technologies, processes, and strategies. Without proper change management expertise, these initiatives often fail, resulting in wasted resources, decreased productivity, and damaged employee morale. Many organizations find themselves stuck in a cycle of failed transformations. Managers feel overwhelmed trying to implement changes while maintaining daily operations. Team members experience change fatigue and resistance, leading to decreased engagement and productivity. Many professionals feel anxious about their ability to adapt to and lead change effectively. This certification program provides a comprehensive framework for managing organizational change successfully. You'll learn proven methodologies to plan, implement, and sustain changes while maintaining employee engagement and operational effectiveness. Benefits include mastering change readiness assessment techniques, learning to develop effective communication strategies, and gaining skills in stakeholder management. You'll acquire practical tools for resistance management, cultural transformation, and measuring change success. Organizations implementing these methods see higher success rates in transformation initiatives, improved return on investment, and enhanced employee engagement during changes. The structured approach ensures changes stick and deliver intended benefits while maintaining operational stability. For individuals, this certification opens doors to leading strategic initiatives. Professionals become trusted change advisors, while teams develop resilience and adaptability to change. This leads to improved career opportunities and the ability to drive successful transformations. Don't let your organization's crucial changes become another failure statistic. Join successful change leaders who consistently deliver positive transformations. Enroll now to become a certified change management professional.